You started your career in 1997 when UTV was series like Varis and from those two days, from those days to D3 days. How was your journey and what has changed? Anything you would want to share? I started my career in 1997. Yes, with serials like Hipapure. Yes, Varis was not with UTV, with someone else. It was Siddhant Cinevision. Things have changed, matlab majorly changed. Everything has changed. People have changed. I think today people are very, very selfish. Then there was a certain kind of passion everyone had shared, and people would trust their creative lots more. Now they don't. They're very, very selfish, and they want to, like, even if they give hard work, it's purely for their own market. So things have changed majorly. They don't really think about the whole and soul. They think about just an individual, not even the character, a person. During the days of Hipapure, I remember, and Hipapure and D3 I can directly compare because it was almost the same format. It was Hipapure was a show of 14 kids, and D3 is a show about 12. I will not say D3 is a show about 12 people. It was initially a show about Kriya. When she went, we spoke about Ray, and Ray took over totally. It was a daily, it was a episodic, but the format, not the format, but the youth quotient of both the shows were very much alike. But at the same time, it was extremely different because, in fact, even today, if you meet those people, and you see the passion level and the honesty, there is much more than today's generation. I'm sorry, I'm being extremely blunt about it, but that is the truth and that is the fact. Journey has been wonderful because I think one needs to, every day one needs to grow, and it's, kya bolu main? I was an assistant director then, and I never thought I'll sit in this position where I will be a fiction head of a company. At that point of time, it was a learning stage, and thanks so much to my director Nupur and Vinay Pathak, who gave me so much confidence. हमको वो लोग इतना confidence देते कि आज हम लोग कुर्सी पे बैठ के बहुत आसानी से चीजें कर सकते हैं. So it is their training and their ground root teaching that is coming in handy as far as this is concerned. Anything I would want to share? I just recently had a Hipapure reunion after 13 years. We were just the same. We were the same old bunch, mad people, and उस तरीके का अपनापन मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लगता था D3 पे है, but वो इतना नहीं है. So that is what I want to share. हाँ, हो गया. वो मैंने कर लिया. Next.
Second one.
हाँ.
You have been in Cinestars for a long time now. How is it working?
Oh my God. कैसे बोल रहे हैं? It's wonderful. Cinevista has been like family. I've been here. मुझे तो याद भी नहीं मैंने कभी join किया था. More than 4 years. First year I gave to the company as a developer, developing concepts. Then I got so involved in D3 that I completely gave myself away to D3 for 3 years. So now I'm back doing my what I'm supposed to do, which is developing concepts. So it's great fun. It's like family. Mr. Mehta treats me like a child, and I treat him like a father. And Sidhu and I have a very Siddharth Malhotra. I have a great rapport with him. So we are like a family. We work like a family. Next.
Okay. DMG is something very close to your heart. We all know how much you love it. And any favorite character you have got and any fond memory?
Every time you ask me the same question.
DMG is always D3.
No, it's always DMG also. DMG का मैं पूछा है ना?
No.
तूने ही पूछा है मेरे को.
DMG नहीं, D3.
अबे DMG के बारे में पूछा है.
Favorite character in DMG?
Favorite character in DMG? Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Has to be Arman, na? How can it be anything else? I mean, Arman will be my favorite character. And when I was developing Rayansh, I must tell you all that मैंने अमर को बिठा के अरमान की होमवर्क करवाया था कि this is the, even if there's a language issue, this is the confidence level that one should have. So much so कि जब वो लोग नहीं सीखे थे तो मैंने actually करण को ले आया था show में, so that all the kids could understand, because I think Karan in himself is an institute of acting. He is so good, so it has to be Arman. It can't be any other character but Arman, because I think he is the most versatile character, and it is that character which has done so well कि आज भी लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि DMG वापस लाओ, Arman and Dima both कि DMG वापस लाओ, DMG लाओ. Fond memory तो क्या बोलूँ मैं, there are 20,000 fond memories. Fond memories of DMG, there's so many. We used to have a very good time. We used to play a lot of pranks on each other, and we used to majorly make a fool out of Shilpa in the beginning. And she was quite a blonde, she would not understand, but she was so smart कि patiently वो सारा prank ऐसे full लेती थी, फिर उसके बाद directly mic निकल के चली जाती थी. इसमें लगा अरे कहाँ जा रही है? So we used to play a lot of pranks. And sequences I can't forget in DMG, because I think everyone नहीं, दृष्टि को छोड़ के मैं बोलूँगी, दृष्टि और सोनिया को छोड़ के बाकी सब बहुत ही pathetic dancers थे. So शिल्पा भी ठीक ठाक थी, but उसको सिखाना पड़ता था. और लड़के तो माशाल्लाह, मतलब they all had like left feet, so it was so difficult for us to actually do events with DMG, but it used to be so much fun कि after the event जब खत्म हो जाता था तो it used to be exam खत्म हुआ and we would all dance in every event, every song that we did, whether it was Salame Ishq or the holy song Jai Shiv Shankar, we would all finish, wrap up the shoot, play the song, and the entire unit would dance together. So these were great memories. ऐसा करते थे हम लोग, यहाँ नहीं करते हैं साले कुत्ते. Anyway, next.
You are one of the main reasons behind many stars being really famous and known in industry.
No. I don't know.
People like KSG and Drishti started off with you, like Arman and Muskan, and now people like Shantanu, who is famous like Swayam and are known everywhere. How do you feel being one of the main reasons behind their success? And how do you feel that they are still acknowledged?
They still
They
acknowledge.
They all still acknowledge you for whatever they are.
Really, Drashti acknowledges me? No. Really? She does? Very funny. No, I don't think I'm the reason behind them. I would just say that I have, because of my parents and because of my dad, I have that eye to select people, and that's the job I have. And I select people, and after selecting, if I feel कि उसमें है वो बात, तो मैं अपना 100% उसमें देती हूँ. क्या बोलते हो उसमें? Correct है? Because she's the biggest example.
Rishika, Shantanu, Karan Singh Grover, every interview he will tell. Even it's about Kabul hai, he will still mention you.
Oh, so sweet. No, it's just, that's what I'm saying, you know, because, and I would fight, and I would be ready to lose my job, and I will stick by that person. Now that has coincidentally happened almost with everybody. Like with KSG, I had almost lost my job because nobody was confident about him in Dil Mil Gaya. They all were like, "Acha, theek hai, we don't agree," because he used to play a negative character before that. So like, we don't agree, ye wo, and they were so not interested in DMG. So I was like, "No, I'm ready to lose my job." Like, "Are you sure?" Like, "Yeah, I'm sure. I will quit if he doesn't work." So he worked. Then even Barun Sokti was quite a fluke, you know, when Barun had come on to DMG, and he was just actually, Barun is very funny because Barun was walking in Cinema Stars, and I was like, मेरे विकास को बोले कौन है, बहुत अच्छा है. He said, हाँ मैम अच्छा है. Then we created a role for him, and for some strange reasons the channel did not agree with him. And they were like, नहीं ये इतना अच्छा नहीं है. So I gave him over to Sony, to my friend. अब इसको try कर, मैं बोल रही हूँ बहुत अच्छा है, because I could not do justice to his role on DMG. So we sent him to Sony, and there he clicked so well. And the people who didn't agree with him on Insta then took him for that thing.
इस पे आपको क्या?
I was like, what the hell is this? They were like, अरे sorry यार, तो जो भी है. So it was a joke amongst us. So that happened with Barun. Then who else is there? Drashti तो खैर क्या बोलूँ मैं Drashti का. Drashti, I will not say that I gave my 100% to Drashti, because I was at that time DMG had started off, and I would say Nisar, who was the producer of um, Four Lions. Sorry. So he was a director. So he he was a pivotal part of her growing up. But of course, मतलब उस पे हमने beginning में मेहनत बहुत की थी in terms of workshop and everything. So she was a fantastic face. Shantanu, I don't think मैंने शांतनु पे इतनी मेहनत की है. Shantanu thinks I have a lot of things to do with him, and I don't think I have done much. I have done a lot of mehnat on her. That I will give. I have done a lot of mehnat on Amar. Kumar Amarjeet Singh, though I have done so much mehnat, I don't think I have ever done on anybody. So that's what I'm saying. Coincidentally, nobody like Karan हो गया, वरुण हो गया, रुशिका हो गई, अमर हो गया. They were like kind of a reject mal, you know. So when they were a reject mal, so when I took it upon me to कि नहीं, I know that they can become big, you know. So whether I worked hard on them or like I said Varun to Sony. So वो सारी चीजें हुई. So I would say, but it's purely their talent and it's purely their trust on me that they gave themselves to me, that they have done so well. इतना yeah, you can.
Favorite D.
Favorite?
D of Dil Dosti Na.
D.
बेवकूफ. बोला पूछना.
Your favorite D of the
You say चल.
Your favorite.
No, you say. No, you say. What do you think? You know me, na? हाँ तो
Dance.
How do you think it's dance? I'm so proud of her. Why do you think it's dance?
Because dance is your passion.
Your favorite day of Dil Dosti Dance has to be dance because in Dil Dosti Dance can happen. In all the other shows I can show Dil, but I can't show as much as dance.
And Dosti was speaking.
Dosti I can still show in other shows, na? But I can't show dance as much as I can show sorry, not is. I can show me. I could show. So yeah, dance.
And with certain changes that took place later, you got in Vrinda, who again is your choice. How was it working with Vrinda and how is she as a person? Anything you want to talk about Vrinda or Tani?
Sure, I'll tell you something.
And one more thing. Did you do the character of Tani directly first or after seeing Vrinda?
No, that's what I'll tell you. First of all, Vrinda was not my choice. Okay. I can't lie, she was not my choice. When I saw her dancing, I thought she was not very good. Okay, definitely not good in terms of, because Shakti had gone. So you know it is very difficult to play a good dancer, get a good dancer. So what we were doing at that point of time, we were holding auditions and we were saying कि क्रिया टाइप की कोई मिल गई तो रिप्लेस कर देंगे, नहीं तो फिर नया कोई कैरेक्टर ले आएंगे. तो उस टाइप की तो हमको डांसर कोई मिली नहीं, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी strong dancer थी. You know, Shakti was a very strong, at least in contemporary she was very strong, so we couldn't get anybody. So ultimately when the time was passing by, I was majorly pressurized with the channel and they said ki, no, take someone, take, and then they chose Vrinda. Vrinda for me was a wonderful face, wonderful smile. I still remember she had, while she gave her audition, she was black, she was wearing a black whatever, and she had a step where she was doing this smile and she did a step like this, which was very cute. तो मुझे लगा कि अच्छा इतना desperation है तो अगर बोल रहे हैं ले लेते हैं, we'll try and figure something out and we'll train her till then. So we got her in, and after that we wrote the character of Tani, and whatever, she was a fan and everything, all of that stuff happened. And we tried training her, but we were not successful because we tried training her in this thing also, in classical also. Alicia was also training her in classical, but it did not happen. But what really struck me and Vanshika was that her innocence, Vrinda's innocence and her acting capability was so much that in the workshop, वो पहले workshop में सबको खा गई थी. So I was I was like, at least वो acting में लेके चली जाएगी. So we then gave her a character and we had to constantly twist because like we started her character thinking कि she wants to be the sixth dancer. But when we realized कि नहीं वो नहीं कर पाएगी and she will not fit into the group, we tried doing group this thing, बहुत separately दिख के आ रही थी and it was not good for her. So we then changed the character and everything. But in terms of her innocence, in terms of her acting, in terms of her hard work and acting versatility, she scores so high that we just could not let her character go. You know, so we changed it. Ki she wanted to become, then became a wannabe dancer, and then we used that as कि as a खलिश between Ray and her कि वो नहीं बन सकती है उतनी अच्छी dancer, पर उसका एक boyfriend है बहुत ही फाड़ू dancer है. So we played that a little, and I think I still maintain Vrinda is a very versatile actor, and I think at that point of age to carry so many shades of, like she had to look innocent, she had to look chubby, chulbuli, and at the same time wrong, because you know when she was introduced she was a wrong character, वो सब कुछ झूठ बोल के करती थी, and she did it with so much innocence. And then when I saw her in Dil Se with Ray, Vanshika, I was like, wow, she looked so pretty, and Vanshika, we were very certain that she'll move on. I quite personally like Vrinda, and I personally love Tani's character, very very difficult character. Initially it was Sharon, but I think Tani's character was very very difficult. So, and उसने full 100% निभाया है, चाहे वो भाई का हो, चाहे वो रे के साथ हो, चाहे उसकी प्रॉब्लम जैसे GS हो, you know, एक ग्रे शेड भी आ गया था उसके अंदर, उसने बहुत अच्छा निभाया. I mean, very proud of her.
Like you always say, you never knew you had fans. You always believe that it was the story or the character you created have gained fans. Like, and Palki Malhotra never had fans. But recently, after when you came into D3, you got many gifts, letters, and you also know that now you have a separate fan base as like fans only for Palki Malhotra.
Really?
Yes, and Swaran fans and Tare fans mainly have appreciated you a lot. So how was your reaction, or how do you feel after knowing all this?
Super odd. I don't know what to say. No, I seriously don't know what to say. Fans, merely I don't know. See, honestly, I feel I'm quite a bitch. So I have never gone around wanting people to like me, which is why I'm behind the scenes, you know. So इसलिए मुझे वो concept of me having fans नहीं समझ में आता है. So and whatever gifts and everything that you all send, I will still maintain. For me, it's inspiration. Like I still have Dil Mil Gayega letters. You know, it's all pinned up, and the letters that you all have sent. You all have sent these letters are Swaran fans. These are Tare fans. These are I don't know. Swaran fans. And there's one Dil Mil Gayega letter that had come to me after this thing. So see, the difference between Dil Mil Gaye was because that time creative writers were never appreciated or even known. But I still have it because they're all inspiration, you know. And this is given to me by Massive, by the way. So it's all inspiration. So I don't think I have fans. It's I would say it's appreciation for the contribution of work that I have done. So I would say that. I will still not think that I have fans and please. I find it damn fucking odd. Seriously.
How do you feel that Palki ma'am is acknowledged so much and people appreciate her?
People, I mean, what to say?
Yes.
नहीं words नहीं.
हिंदी में बोलना बेटा.
नहीं. It feels great क्योंकि उनको हमें लाना, एक न्यू फेस को लाना is a very risky thing sometimes. Because वो either वो ऐसे अच्छा साइड भी हो सकता है और बुरा साइड भी हो सकता है. और people ने सब हर एक कैरेक्टर को इतना पसंद किया है वो, क्योंकि मैम ने वो हर एक कैरेक्टर को ऐसा बनाया है तभी लोगों ने पसंद किया. नहीं हाँ मुझे तो ऐसा कुछ आता नहीं था, तो अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा आने लगा है क्योंकि
थोड़ा अच्छा आता है इसको. I would say that.
तो वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि मैम ने मुझे वो कैरेक्टर में देखा तब जाके वो हुआ. तो इट फील्स ग्रेट कि लोग मैम के फैंस है, बहुत सारे फैंस है. क्योंकि आई रिमेम्बर हम हैदराबाद गए थे तब जब मैम सिर्फ 1 सेकंड की झलक में आई थी एवरीवन लाइक प्लीज नो यू आर शांतनु आल्सो हुआ था
प्लीज. It's just that just because I wear a band people recognize me, otherwise no one will shut up.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. और I wish कि मैम मैम बहुत कुछ और अच्छा करे, इससे भी ज्यादा अच्छा करे, और डांस में कुछ
है ना? I know. I'll do something in dance first and learn dance.
नहीं मैम को बहुत अच्छा डांस आता है।
Oh my